Okay, yeah, we're
Good morning, friends. Hopefully you can hear me. There's a freeway nearby. It might be a little loud. I might have to move this inside. Yeah, good morning, friends. I didn't film much other than going to dinner last night with some friends. We got some pizza. It was really good. But I was just so dead afterwards. There was a lot going on. It took us a solid extra hour to get here. There was traffic. And then a maintenance guy came over to fix the dryer. And it was a lot. We had to wait for him until we could go get food because we're not leaving a random person with all of our stuff here. But they got the dryer fixed, and then we finally were able to go get some food after like an hour and a half of saying we were gonna go get food. But yeah, I feel better this morning. I feel more refreshed and ready to go. Well, today's plan is to go get some groceries, and then we're gonna go to the mall, and then dinner, and then I really want to go to Round One, which if you don't know what Round One is, it's like an arcade place. They have all those like Japanese claw machines. And then tomorrow, plans are really up in the air.
you have to keep going over it, and
Yeah.
regular like trip or pour over coffee is either $4 or $5.
Okay.
Or there's syrup. Yeah. Can't do just family, you want to. You can get it iced or hot.
Tea milk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yes.
No.
You're in the shop.
Oh, dang it. That's special.
Let me give you a tour of the Airbnb real quick. So we have the living room. It's very cute. Its whole advertisement was a coffee bar. And the coffee bar is kind of small, if we're being honest. But there's board games. And then we have the first bedroom with a door to the bathroom. The bathroom is like a Jack and Jill bathroom. Don't know how I feel about it. And then we go over here to the kitchen. Kitchen's cute. This is where the washer and dryer is. There's also apparently a basement, but there is a code lock on it, so I don't think we can go in there. And then we have the second bedroom, which this one's really nice. There's a whole wall of closet, and then another door that leads into that same bathroom. Outfit of the day for D1. We got most nice white t-shirt, shorts from Walmart, ready to go.
Outfit of the day for day one. I got my Dungeon Crawler Carl shirt and white coffee. I know what so. That's okay. Oh, look at yours. Is that got what, Nutella? Is it It's not fall out so much. Yeah, to do that. I know it. You guys want to go to the evening? I'm probably gonna just take the car and go home.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, absolutely.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
Okay.
I don't mind. I didn't even know you guys had rented a car, so I was like fully thinking I was gonna be like.
I don't want to talk about
We
it.
got t-shirts 2 for $20.
Ooh.
Last year. It's good.
We got a blind box. It's My Melody and Chromie moving scene. So let's see what we get. I obviously want any of the Chromies. Yes. Yeah. Ooh, what did I get? What did I get? Oh. It's Chromie. It's Smoke Mountain. There we go. Yay! Oh, she's so cute. Look how cute. And then it comes with a little stand and a microphone.
Let's go.
I have to read it because it was such a funny message. Take a picture of our happy. better.
Oh, okay. Oh. Outfit for day 2. We got Motionless white t-shirt and some blue green pants from Walmart. We're matching.
Outfit of the day for day 2. I got my wall picture and our matching green pants. I don't really. She steal my baby. She steal my baby. Well, I didn't think it'd be that bad. I was wrong.
So yeah, if we go to the left, there's like a little walking path. It's like an old remodeled like business building that just turned into like a whole bunch of shops. Looks like it. It just says that we moved upstairs. Yeah, you can see this like the back end still has like the color, but the front end has kind of just been bleached. People wrap this part because like that's too dangerous. That is aerated water. I mean, what if you got stuck right there? Yeah, it took you.
Hi, buddy.
Tell time or do math. What does the front sensor on a Furby let you do? Tickle its tummy, make it belch, tell time, or do math.
Give me the 8 that came with the.
Correct.
I believe it.
There's nothing else in there?
No, it's a bag.
So you will never feel fear again. You have a time machine, but you can only see while screaming. No one will ever believe that you.
What are you gonna scream about? You don't feel fear.
But you want to see.
So you're basically Cyclops. The only time you can see.
That was screaming.
Okay, so you can control animals, you can own any company, but everyone you look at will die.
Oh no!
Could you imagine driving from Sewer Baggies? Oh God.
Oh, it would not be worth it.
After this trip, I'm so glad that my mom.
The stranger there among them had a big iron on his hip, big iron on his sleeve. It was early in the
Hate you.
Cold bird feed and they all come land on you. Not the season.
Yeah, picture myself and got it from my little angle.
Oh, that's really cool.
I wasn't expecting it to be cut that way. I kind of thought it'd be like slices.
Uh-huh.
I don't hate it. Pepper.
Stop sign. You'll turn right. Do you want to get out to take a photo or are you good?
Nah, I'm good. We are all packed up and ready to make the 8-hour journey back. Bye bye Airbnb. You were good to us.